Introducing Lucas Red and Tacky Grease, engineered with a powerful formulation to deliver reliable, long-lasting protection in the toughest conditions. Red and Tacky offers a bold, smooth appearance and a slick, durable feel, meeting the trusted NLGI No. 2 consistency. It's fortified with advanced rust and oxidation inhibitors, providing superior protection against corrosion and enhanced water resistance that holds up over time. With a powerful 4-ball weld load of 500 kgf, this grease stands up to heavy pressure, high friction, and demanding workloads. It's a true multi-purpose grease, perfect for automotive wheel bearings, chassis lubrication, marine, agricultural, and industrial equipment. Also available in a convenient aerosol spray, it's perfect for quick jobs in hard-to-reach areas around the garage, shop, farm, or home. With excellent mechanical stability and a long shelf life, Red and Tacky is always ready when the job calls. Lucas Red and Tacky Grease. Tougher by design, trusted by professionals. Only from Lucas Oil Products.